Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered Windows Update error 0x800705b4, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is the first thing we need to do for the solution is to disable the Windows firewall. So we'll look for firewall in the start bar, Windows Defender Firewall, and we will go to turn Windows Defender Firewall on and off in the left side corner. Go to turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both the private and the public network settings. And then we'll run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the start bar, go to settings, and then go to system, look for troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and then click on run Windows Update Troubleshooter. The second thing we will do is go to services and look for the Windows Defender service. Windows Defender Firewall service. Right click on here and click on refresh. Once we do that, we will then run the Windows Update. Right click on the start button, go to settings, and then click on Windows Update, and then click on check for updates. While we are at it, go to advanced options, go to optional updates, and update and install any driver updates here. Now once you're done with all this, always remember to go back to Windows Firewall and to go to turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and always make sure that these are turned on again, and click OK, because if you don't turn them on, some malware can affect your system in a very bad way. If this video helped you, kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.